Hello friends, my name is Dipin and I'm here with my friend Shivam, and finally we are going to make some videos on YouTube and yeah, we are very excited and hopefully you like what we create. This is just an introduction, so let me explain what we'll be doing. We'll be making videos on Blender, not any kind of tutorial videos, as we ourselves are learning this amazing tool. So Blender basically is a free and open source 3D creation tool, and you can download it from this site. And what we'll be doing is we'll be starting with this tutorial, this free tutorial which is available on YouTube. This is known as donut tutorial, and I think it is a good start for us. Like, we have gone through a couple of these videos and I think we can create something and learn something useful out of this tutorial. So there are a lot of things which you can create using Blender, like as you can see here. Like, there are models, aeroplanes, and yeah, Thanos. You can create Thanos, some people have created it and basically a lot of things. And there is a good example of Blender. What this software can do is by this animation which was created using Blender. So I'll just show it to you a little bit. Yeah, so we won't be able to create this right now. I mean, this is something just to give an idea of what this tool can do, but hopefully in future maybe we can create something close to this. Yeah, so anyway, hopefully we can create a donut, and we'll show you what we can do. Maybe next week our donut will be ready with our donut by next week, right, Shivam?
Yeah, right, Dipin. Hi guys, Shivam here. As Dipin told you guys about Blender and what kind of work we'll be doing with Blender. And basically, Blender is an awesome 3D platform to create our own imagination with lots of feeling and create something new. So basically, if you are an artist personality, then Blender is better for you guys. If you're not, don't worry. We both don't have a artist personality, but we learn Blender and we learn lots of Blender fundamental. And we will show you our work next week. Thank you guys. We will meet up next week with new Blender video.